Hey, so my wife lost her Samsung S9 case somehow on our recent trip to Las Vegas. And so I went and found a new case for her. She wanted something with ultra bling. So I got the most blingiest cell phone case that I could find on Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside. This is the Hatoshi Galaxy S9 glitter case with screen protector. And this is the pink/gold version. Two colors that my wife likes very much for her phone. Her last Samsung phone was actually gold. She wanted to call it gold brick. And this one is a lavender color, which is, about as close as pink as I could possibly find for the Galaxy S9 at the time. Oh, wow. So this is actually more pink than I thought it would be. But it's got that bling. Now, this bling actually moves, look at that, by gravity. So the effect of this is supposed to be really strong, obviously, in the sun. Potentially blinding, but at least this way, it's a lot less likely for her to leave her phone or not be able to find it, let's say around the house or something, or just outside, because of how reflectively and blingy this case is. So obviously there's a liquid in here, and it's actually a mineral oil, which is actually supposedly safe for humans. So that's something that something that was considered wild. They even have some bling on the side as well. There's just literally bling everywhere on this case. Cool. They also give me a little screen protector, which we may or may not use. Plus, let's see, warning. If the case cracks or leaks liquid, remove case and discontinue use immediately. Is environmentally friendly and not harmful to the human body, however, may cause allergic reaction to skin irritation in some individuals. Yada, yada, yada. Now, do not attempt to self-disassemble or puncture the case. So this is not a case that you can handle. Oh, wow. This is definitely not a case that you can handle with sharp objects. Why would you have sharp objects with your phone? Because you definitely don't want to puncture it. So on this side, it is actually hard. And on this side, it's actually soft. So you can actually push into it a little bit and move. So that wasn't very apparent in the pictures or the photographs on Amazon, I guess. So that's something good to know. This is definitely a very unique case. Although I wonder about the durability of the soft side. I guess we shall see, won't we? Anyways, this was just over $10, under $20. It might have been a promotion or something that might be going on right now, maybe in celebration of Prime Day coming up. So if you are interested in a case like this, please check out my affiliate links down below to Amazon. And yeah, get yourself one of these while it is on sale. All right, that's it for this quick look. I don't actually have the phone with me, so I can't install it right now, but you can pretty much imagine how the phone's going to look like on here, which is extremely visible and definitely has that that reflective bling jewelry type of look from it. All right, that's it for this video. Please give us a like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.